On March 25th, India was put under a lockdown to prolong the spread of coronavirus in India. And overnight, hundreds and thousands of migrants were stuck in cities and towns miles away from home without a job or the means to live and survive. With hardly any money in hand, the labourers decided to find their way back home. Many walked through states, while many others chose to pedal.
मेरी बीवी है और मेरा बेटा है, मेरा भाई है और सोनीपत से मैं आया हूँ और मेरे को 2 दिन 1 रात लगी यानी घर आ गए या तो आदत कर रहा
दिल्ली सरकार ने तो ये आप 28 तारीख को लागू लगाया है कि खाने पीने की सुविधा हो जाएगी। और हमारे पास वहाँ पर ऐसा साधन नहीं था, कोई देने वाला भी नहीं था, ऐसे गांव एरिया में फंस गए थे।
बस जो था वो खाया, अब आगे गुंजाइश है नहीं, कहाँ से खाएंगे, कुछ नहीं जा रहे घर।
But it wasn't easy. The people were in pain. Their misery knew no bounds. Many even found it difficult to make it back home. On March 30th, the wire recorded deaths of 17 workers and their children in a desperate attempt to get home. On April 3rd, the New Indian Express recorded a death of a student who was walking back to his hometown.
நடந்து வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் ஒருத்தருக்கு அவனால் முடியல, ஒரு 3 நாளாக தொடர்ச்சியாக நடந்ததுனால அவர் ஹெல்த் கண்டிஷன் பிரச்சனையும் அவரால் முடியலன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அப்படிங்கிறப்ப அவர் இறந்தார். ஒரு பையன் லோகேஷுக்கு நாமக்கல் மாவட்டம் பள்ளிவிளை சேர்ந்த ஊர்.
எத்தனை மணிக்கு இறந்தார்?
நைட்டு ஒரு 12 மணிக்கு.
On May 8, 16 migrant workers were run over by a freight train in the state of Maharashtra. BBC India on May 23rd confirmed deaths of labourers too. On June 2nd, data from an NGO named Save Life revealed that at least 200 of these workers had lost their lives in road accidents while travelling back home. While the Indian government started train and bus services for many labourers, the less frequency hardly helped the people. Around 8 months into the onset of the pandemic in the country, the central government said that they have found no data regarding the death of migrant workers during the lockdown. The Labour and Employment Minister Santosh Gangwar said in the Lok Sabha on September 14 that no data is available on such cases. He believes that the mass exodus of over 1 crore people from across the country during a strict lockdown took place without the loss of life. This raises several questions on the current BJP government, as reports from several sources in the initial months of lockdown show a different picture altogether.